Hey everyone! So enjoy the last video from our spring 2022 remodel of our boat. Then we are putting away our tools and enjoying our summer. And also, stay tuned for a full boat tour. That video will be published tomorrow. So check back in tomorrow or click that subscribe button so you get notified that we have a new video. We are glad that the projects are over, so enjoy the last of them here. I took the cushions off the back where it looks super gross and took off these little cushions, and we'll take those home and make new ones out of them. That aren't gross. So hopefully that will be better. And we'll get the boat cleaned up, of course, because that's looking pretty rough right now. So. And look at those dark and stormy clouds. It's been some wild weather. It's sunny this way. Oh wow, what a beautiful morning. Look at the blue sky. It's gorgeous. We just woke up at the boat. That's the morning face, and getting ready to do some projects today. So hopefully we'll have flybridge furniture by the end of the day. Very excited about that. So Mike cleaned it out last night, and all the new furniture is sitting up there. Right up there in the big blue truck. So we have a bit of work ahead of us today, but it should be fun to get that done finally. Oh, it's rhymed. And hopefully we have some good weather and we can pop out and empty the toilet because it's full here. So. Alright, I'm off to make coffee. This is an exciting day. We're bringing the flybridge furniture down. There's Mike on the ramp. A full load of furniture. Here is the rest of it. And let's go upstairs. It's a lot of boxes. There's still one in my car too.
Oh, you better get that one out.
I will. I'll go do that next. Oh, it looks good up here. Very clean. Still got a few little stains, but I think those are kind of worn into the gel coat there. Oh, but so much cleaner. This was nasty under there before. Very nice. What you working on, Mike?
Seats look good.
They do look good. I haven't sat in them yet. Do a sit test.
You gotta be careful, they're not.
Very carefully, because it's not connected. They're comfy. They look good. They look really nice.
They're comfortable.
Yeah, much better than what was here before. Yeah, this will be really nice. Nice party flybridge.
Need to put the barbecue up here. We need a wet bar up here.
There you go. Get all the comforts of home up here. So a whole lot of progress was made, and Captain's chair did not get replaced because it was uncomfortable. But let's try it out. Oh yeah, these are nice. They sit up a little higher than the old ones, so that's gonna be really good. And we can have people up here and not have it look like total garbage. So it'll be very, very nice to have these seats in here. And they look good. They're all installed. This one you can't lean back on yet. There's one more piece that we need to do to secure it to the railing. And there are cup holders. There's one there, two over there. This will be very cool. So I just need to get all this cleaned up and some more instruments mounted, and I guess I'm gonna clean this chair since we're keeping it for a while at least, and try to make it look halfway presentable. I'll run you through the items we purchased in case you're interested in replacing your own flybridge furniture. We went with the TuneMate brand, which you can buy at Camping World or Stockton's. In the corner is a corner with base. Next to the ladder is a 27-inch section. On the port side, we did a lean back lounge with a 36-inch section, and then a matching 36-inch section on the starboard side. Now, there is a little extra room, so you could actually go a little more than 36 inches, but we decided we wanted that little bit of extra space between the dash and our seating. So we spent $1,600, including the captain's chair, but then we ended up not using that, so $1,350 was the final total. And I think it's all worked out pretty well so far.
Nice and strong.
Nice.
It's still warm yet.
Oh.
Oh, there's part of the dash.
Cool.
Might as well finish this up, huh? As long as you're here.
As long as I'm here to help.